Hello folks, this is Point Boy along with two of my retired partners, and here we are doing some of the prep work for Sunday's Trinidad YouTubers Summer Fest, Cook and Soca. So as you could see, we're preparing some cassava which we'll be cooking on the day, and then a little later we're going to go and season the gizzard, and then later in the week we'll prepare the chicken for the curry stew. All of this for the food that we will be giving away to fellow YouTubers and those that attend. We're here this afternoon. I was with Trini out and about and Shine Story at the venue, where we're doing another video telling people about the event. It's going to be good. So come along with us this afternoon as we prepare the ingredients for what we'll be cooking next week. And then a little later, we're going to season the two new pots that we have bought especially for the event. And we'll also test them out with some yam and a little, what is it cooking? Pork, stew pork and with food chuck?
Nah, Edos.
Edos?
What is just stew pork?
Oh shucks man, I
I
wanted
thought say Edos, yeah, but I ain't putting the Edos in the chicken. Cooking that separate.
But I thought you tell me we were getting food chuck as well.
Right, that don't go to provision.
You say, for the Chinese something else, you know.
What kind of chicken is going with jasmine rice and thing, man?
Why, food chuck will go good with anything.
No, wait. This is Chinese, leave them.
Did you Chinese alone?
Yeah.
He know it's Chinese food.
Yeah, I know eating pork and chicken with provision.
Alright, well folks, with them, no food chuck, but you're going to see some stew pork and some provision. I think it's going to be some yam and so on. And here comes another one of the retirees. He really retired.
Yeah, you really retired.
He really retired.
Not even driving.
Not driving. He got the son had to come and he had to get his son to bring him. When you see these old people that we have. Anyhow, more hands. I call Tony. Yeah. Who knows? I know who peel. If you're seeing pink thing on it, that is between Robbie and Neil.
No. Why is between we?
Because both of
My own all come off. So even try
all come off,
right?
and we had to teach you this evening how to do it right.
You teach me what? You show me once, you had to teach me. Showing somebody once.
I'm telling you.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. If I show you once, that's what? Showing you once, that's not teaching.
Lesson one.
That's the first lesson.
No, that is last lesson.
Oh, that's the last lesson. All right. Okay. If you say so, partner.
Yeah, the main peeling and the
You
transferring
see,
the ground
I
here.
bring my knife.
Yeah. So brand new pots, and with all brand new pot, you have to season the pot. A little water and vinegar, and then come back and put some oil and burn some oil in the pot. In the meantime, fellas bagging out the cassava that was peeled. And then we have to clean this mass of gizzard that we have here. Well, the Chinese partner outside relaxing. Well, you could mix, you know.
I don't mix it, I want to see, look. But what's that? This I've never boiled in pot you buy here or?
No, it looks steam rising, man. The
Yeah,
pot
steam and
boiling.
boiling are not the same thing, eh?
It have plenty. Yeah, just rest this on, rest that on the table over, so.
How much about this one in a cassava for?
Zero price. We're giving away all free on the day.
You never make no money with this man.
No, I'm a terrible businessman, but hopefully a good YouTuber.
Alright, so
When they finish, we throw off. When you finish this, to throw off the water. That's all it needed to do.
no, you have to rub it down with oil.
Yeah, and then that's all it.
And then heat it back again.
Yeah, correct,
Right, and then I will cook.
correct. So we
And I
throw.
want this, I don't need this big pot, I need this one. Because it's in,
You do the pork in that one,
Uh-huh.
and we'll do the
Provision?
yeah, the yam and the.
yeah, but we could do it in that here.
Oh God, we have the pot. Like you said,
Well,
even though it's
But
bigger
then-
than what we cook,
No,
the
but-
amount we cook in.
my problem is,
What?
by the time you put oil in this,
Yeah.
and you season it,
Yeah.
and you put water again for this particular next hour before that water boil up again.
No. Nah. Pot hot already, pot now.
So, I don't know.
The pot going good?
Yeah, it's well seasoned.
Come, knock the pot like Mr. Knock a pot, man.
Well
Right.
seasoned as long, it's well seasoned together with the pork. You understand?
Right.
Yeah, if you put a little more light, you could see more, you know. What is in the dark, this comes to light, eh?
I see it looking good. And the other pot, you do
The other
the
pot is the
provision?
provision there, the yam there.
Well, let me see now.
Let me see now.
Come, let us see. All you like that thing about peeling skin afterwards. All right.
But that's when it make the peel.
All right. Okay.
Do you know when you put that when you peel it first?
Well, no, I have to show the Chinese. I have to show
Why you want to chew this Chinese so
that
damn
the Chinese the Chinese the one who is doing the provision. That this Chinese only give us Creole food.
Well, you see, Chinese food is as you have to eat that as it come off the stove and it has to be hot.
So nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, but
this is
that is not for this kind of life.
My name, man.
Uh-huh.
They said Beaver is going to be there.
It's Carol,
The Italian people. Plus the Indian man.
Check the
yeah, we're not checking that. You find that.
So,
check the cassava.
Italian music, sir.
Yeah, couple.
I say Manina and she's like it.
All right, folks. We have finished all the preparation for tonight. And of course, the boys were liming. So we cook a little something for the fellas to eat. A little stew pork and provision. Looking good. I'm going to go and get mine in a little while. Well, this was our preparation for the Trinidad YouTubers Summer Fest Cook and Soca on the 21st of August. I hope to see all of you there. We will be there. Come, meet Point Boy, meet the retirees. And for those few who say that they don't ever see my face, let me turn the camera around.
Oh boy.
I will be there. I hope that you will be also.
Yeah, man.
Aye. And Tony start I think one time.
You want to meet you? Yeah.
You're hungry?
I know you